lot of cloud around. We've been struggling with all the clouds you can see here widespread across the UK on the satellite picture, and it has held our temperatures back somewhat as well. For the week ahead though, it looks like we'll be seeing less in the way of cloud, and consequently our temperatures will be on the way up. The reason things are so settled at the moment is a big area of high pressure. That will continue to build throughout the course of this week. It's going to fizzle out any weather fronts that try to run into the north of the UK. So some patchy rain for Scotland and the northeast of England overnight tonight, but that will fizzle out through the day on Monday. But we're always going to have quite a lot of cloud around on Monday, rather as we have done through this weekend. So probably a bright rather than sunny day. The showers, though, across Scotland, just the remnants of our weather front here, should be fewer and further between as the afternoon goes on. The same can be said for those outbreaks of rain in the northeast of England. And there will be some decent sunny spells at times, particularly helped on, I think, to the lee of high ground. Quite a bit of cloud, though, across the southeast of England and East Anglia. But temperatures, all the while, responding quite well. Despite the grey skies, we're looking at temperatures in the high teens or the low 20s. Just a slim chance of 1 or 2 showers breaking out across the southwest of England on Monday afternoon. We could see the odd light one across Wales also, but essentially a lot of dry weather here and for Northern Ireland, where we're looking at highs up into the high teens, perhaps an odd 20 degrees Celsius towards the west in Fermanagh. So that's Monday daytime. Now we're going to hold on to all of this cloud overnight Monday and on into Tuesday as well. So rather like tonight, that will make for a pretty mild night in many areas. Temperatures getting down no lower than double figures and actually turning quite misty and murky in some spots as well. So it could be a little bit of a slow start to Tuesday, but for Tuesday itself, then we start to see a really notable change in terms of things beginning to brighten up. Our high pressure starts to centre up across the North Sea. To the south of the low, we're then going to start pulling in some air from the east, from the continent, drier, clearer air, and that shows up here as the sunshine making its way into East Anglia and the southeast on Tuesday. Elsewhere, still enough cloud around to give us the odd shower, maybe even the odd sharp one, but across the board, those temperatures are on the way up. Now, through the middle part of the week, the area of high pressure really lines up its isobars to the south of the UK, so you can imagine we're really quite clearly pulling that air in from the east. It will be quite a noticeable breeze, actually, but it will be bringing in warm air and pushing those clearer skies further north across the UK. So sunshine quite widespread across England and Wales on Wednesday. Scotland and Northern Ireland still at the threat of seeing the odd sharper shower. Now, not a lot changes for Wednesday into Thursday. Still the high pressure pretty much our major influence. The easterly wind, though, taking more of an effect along some of our coasts across northern parts of the UK, and that will mean some low cloud here and some stubborn mist and fog. And if we turn this chart into a temperature profile, you'll see here things are showing up in green. It will be a pretty cool story along the North Sea coast if you do get stuck in the low cloud. Elsewhere, though, continuing to warm up on Friday, possibly our warmest day of the week. We could see a spot 26, but we will see this warmer air here approaching us from the continent, more humid air as well, though, in this case. And as that starts to head close to southern areas of the UK, there will then be the threat of some heavy and thundery showers. But through all of this, our temperatures look like they will continue to creep up. So that's the forecast for the week ahead. That's it from me for now. I'll hand you back to Matt.